infant is not already here.
It's so hot.
Good afternoon. We are staying in room 305 and the ceiling fan is not working properly. The room is very warm.
We also noticed the room feels uncomfortable since we've been guests for a long stay.
Good afternoon, Ma'am and Sir. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you for informing us immediately. May I confirm your room number? It's room 305. Thank you. I will now coordinate with our maintenance department right away so they can expect the issue.
We truly understand your concern, and we will do our best to resolve the problem as quickly as possible.
Thank you for your us.
Good afternoon, maintenance department. Please seek a complier from room 305 regarding a multi-functioning ceiling fan.
Understood. My assistant, I will proceed to go with the Please provide us with a copy after the inspection so we can follow up with the next.
Okay, noted. We will handle it right away for the W days.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to maintenance department.
We are here to inspect the ceiling fan unit.
Please come in. There must be quite hot or something.
Sir, the ceiling fan in your room is working, isn't it?
Yes, it's much cooler now.
Thank you for your quick response.
Thank you, Madam
Thank you,
Sir.
Madam.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is the front office. We would like to follow up regarding your maintenance concern. Is everything working properly now?
Yes, the issue has been resolved. Thank you for the excellent service.
We are happy to hear that. Thank you for your patience and understanding. Enjoy the rest of your stay.